Wait, before you start your first business, watch this. We know how exciting it feels when that idea hits you. You start imagining the name, the logo, the money coming in. But before you dive in head first, we need to share some real life truth that can save you time, stress, and thousands of dollars. We are the founders of Mompreneur Academy, and as single moms turned business owner, we've made the mistake so you don't have to. Today, we're breaking down the 5 things you must understand before starting your first business. Trust us, you will thank yourself later. Let's start with your mindset because business isn't just about money, it's about mental strength. When we started our first business, we thought success would happen fast. But here's the truth: consistency beats excitement every time. You can build a real business if your mindset crumbles after your first setback. Before anything else, decide that you're in for the long game. Ask yourself, am I ready to learn what I don't know? Am I prepared to fail forward? Am I willing to start small, even when no one's clapping yet? That's the mindset shift that separates dreamers from doers. Number two, plan before you post. We see so many new entrepreneurs jump straight to social media without structure. You don't need a perfect logo or website. You need a plan. Before launching anything, sit down and map out: who are you helping? What problems are you solving? How will you make money solving it? Inside our ebook, Beginner's Guide a Successful Business, we walk you through myths and facts that will help guide you in the right direction when starting your business. It's not complicated, but it's the difference between running a hustle and building a business. Next, let's talk about the part that scares most new entrepreneurs: funding and registration. You don't need thousands to start, but you do need to understand the basics. Register your business name, it builds credibility. Open a business bank account, keep your coins separate. Look into small minority or women owned business grant. There's a free funding available if you know where to look. When we started, we didn't have investors or fancy resources. We built from the ground up with knowledge and strategy. And that's exactly what we teach through Mompreneur Academy. You can start small, stay compliant, and grow step by step. Here's something most people won't tell you: your first business is your first classroom. You will make mistakes. You will lose money at some point. But every mistake becomes a business degree you didn't have to go into debt for. That is why we are big believers in learning as you earn. Take free courses, read ebooks like ours, watch content that teaches, not just entertain. In our ebook, Beginner's Guide to a Successful Business, which includes a self checklist, resources, and digital tools that we personally use to build our business online without breaking the bank. So before you leap, learn, because being prepared is the best investment you will ever make. Finally, remember this: you can do business alone. Whether you're a mompreneur, a first time founder, or just someone tired of living paycheck to paycheck, community matters. We built Momsrus Academy because we believe that when one mom wins, we all win. That is why we share tools, templates, coaching that guide women from confusion to confidence. Find your tribe, network with other entrepreneurs, ask questions, celebrate small wins. And when you feel like giving up, remember there's always another mom out there fighting for the same dream you have. So before you start your first business, remember, fix your mindset, make a plan, handle your business paperwork, keep learning, build your community. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to start smart. And if you're ready to take that first step, grab a copy of our ebook, Beginner's Guide to Successful Business, at the link below. It's packed with everything we wish we knew before we started. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more real business talk for moms who want financial freedom and peace of mind. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Mompreneur Academy for daily tips, motivation, and behind the scenes of our entrepreneur journey. We are Mompreneur Academy, and we're here to remind every mom watching you can pour from an empty cup, but you can build from one dream at a time. See you in the next video.